Technique Vocabulary. Presented by Natalia Orozco, Mónica Méndez, Joanne Henao. Content. Business Administration, Creditor, Brand, Budget, Devor, Shareholder, Agenda, After, Productivity, Investment, Low Capital, The Bottom Line, Salary, Sound Salser, Franchise. Business administration. It is necessary to plan, make decisions, and lead projects in a company. Creditor is the one who monitors the fulfillment of a payment. Brand. The brand is the identity and reputation that the company builds over time. Budget. It is necessary to know how much money is received and how much is spent. Debt. It is when a company sells and allows payment later that customer becomes a debtor.
Shareholder. It is a person who contributes money. This makes the company grow. Agenda. It is a tool that is used to schedule important tasks and events. Offer. It is a word used to convince a client. Productivity. It is an indicator used to measure performance. Investment. It is the money or resources that are allocated with the objective, profits or growth in the future.
Loan capital. It is money that the company borrows to cover expenses or invest in its growth. The bottom line. It is an indicator that shows how well the company performed financially at the end of a period. Salary. It is the amount of money that a worker receives to carry out the job during a certain period of time. Share social. It is used to promote products or service, attract new customers, communicate with the public, increase sales. Franchise. A franchise is when a company allows another company to sell its products or services using its name and its way of working. Thanks for your attention.